Mr. Stanley Chin, please do the honors. I'll call on the second runner-up. The second runner-up for the Asia Pacific Arts Festival Championship Awards 2019 goes to B1D8, Hana Ishin R. Ranches. Congratulations, mabuhay! I'll announce the first runner-up. I'm really excited. The first runner-up goes to B9D1. Mabuhay! And Andrea H. Narten. Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, our festival champion for Singapore Asia Pacific Arts Festival 2019. Congratulations for your well-deserved award. Congratulations to all our winners and to each and every performance. You all made your countries proud.